Ever feel like your relationship is more of a burden than a blessing? Like instead of two people rowing a boat together, one person's dragging an anchor? We all deserve relationships that lift us up, not hold us back. Recognizing the signs of an unhealthy relationship is the first step towards creating a happier, healthier you. So let's dive in. Sign 1, the constant downpour. You know that feeling when someone's always got something negative to say? Like you can't do anything right? Oh, you made reservations there? It's a constant drip, drip, drip of criticism that can really wear down your self-esteem. Remember those amazing qualities that first attracted your partner? Yeah, criticism has a way of making you forget those. Sign 2. Where'd everybody go? Remember those game nights with friends or Sunday brunch with family? When's the last time you did that? Feeling isolated from your loved ones is a big red flag. It's like your world slowly shrinks until it's just you and your partner. And that can make it even harder to see the problems in the relationship. Sign 3, your goals on hold. Remember that dream you had? To start a business, write a book, climb Mount Everest? And what did your partner say? If you're constantly putting your dreams on hold for the relationship, ask yourself, who's really benefiting? A loving relationship should encourage your growth, not stifle it. Chapter 4, Arguments, the Never-Ending Story. Look, every couple argues. It's normal to disagree sometimes, but if it feels like you're starring in your own reality show drama always at each other's throats, that's a problem. Constant arguing is exhausting. It drains your energy and leaves you feeling emotionally wrung out. Chapter 5, Eggshells, the New Flooring. Do you find yourself constantly censoring what you say, afraid of your partner's reaction? Walking on eggshells is no way to live. Relationships need open communication and honesty to thrive. If you can't be yourself, who are you being? Sign 6, respect, R-E-S-P-E-C-T. Find out what it means to me. Remember Aretha? Yeah, Aretha knew what was up. Respect is the foundation of any healthy relationship. It's about valuing each other's opinions, feelings, and boundaries. Without it, you're building a house on sand. Sign 7, control freak, not just a song title. Does your partner tell you who you can see, what you can wear, or what you can post online? Feeling controlled or manipulated is a huge red flag. You're your own person, not a puppet. A healthy relationship is about partnership, not ownership. Sign 8, negativity raining on your parade. You know that friend who's always complaining, always seeing the glass half empty? Yeah, it's draining being around that, right? Now imagine living with it. Your partner's negativity can really affect your own outlook on life. Sign 9, space, it's not just for astronauts. We all need our own space, time to recharge and pursue our own interests. It's what makes us interesting individuals. If your partner is clingy or possessive, constantly needing to know your every move, it can feel suffocating. Sign 10, the invisible partner. Remember that time you went above and beyond for your partner and they didn't even notice? Ouch, right? Feeling unappreciated or undervalued is like a slow leak in a tire. It deflates your self-worth and leaves you feeling resentful. Sign 11, stress and anxiety, my new normal. Relationships should be a source of comfort and support, not stress and anxiety. If you're constantly walking on eggshells, worried about the next argument or your partner's reaction, that takes a toll. Your mental health matters. Sign 12, bad habits. Love the sinner, hate the, well, you know. We all have our quirks, right? But what happens when your partner's habits start holding you back? Maybe it's their excessive spending, their lack of ambition, or their inability to keep promises. Love might be blind, but it shouldn't be oblivious. Sign 13. Stuck, is this all there is? That feeling of being trapped, of knowing deep down this isn't right, but the thought of leaving is terrifying. You might tell yourself it's easier to stay, that things will change, but change requires effort from both partners. You deserve a love that sets you free, not one that keeps you chained. You deserve a love that lifts you higher. So, how did these signs resonate with you? Remember, recognizing the problem is the first step. If you see yourself in these signs, it might be time to have an honest conversation with your partner or seek professional help. You are worthy of a relationship that brings you joy, supports your dreams, and allows you to be your best self. Remember, you deserve a relationship that helps you grow and thrive.